Hello friends, today I'll show you how to make most delicious winter side dish. I'm using Granny Smith apples. I cut the apples into wedges and I removed the seeds. To that I added walnut and cinnamon. Cinnamon add as much as you like. Mix and bake at 375 for about 20 minutes. Here I have yellow potato. I cut each potato into about 4 or 5 wedges. To that add olive oil, salt, black pepper and fresh chopped rosemary. I will bake the potato with the carrot at 375. Here I cut each carrot into 4 or 5 pieces. To that I will add olive oil and the black pepper and bake at 375 for about 35 minutes. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, write a comment and hit the notification bell. It will help my channel. And thank you for watching.